Just minutes ago, Governor Katie Hobbs now setting up a showdown with the Arizona Supreme Court over whether or not she can block an execution ordered by the court.
Bram Resnick is here with more on Hobbs' response to a demand by a victims' rights group that the state carry out the execution. Bram?
Yeah, the state Supreme Court gave the green light for murder convict Aaron Gunches to be put to death on April 6th. But the new Democratic governor has hit the pause button on the death penalty, and now her lawyers say the high court can't order her to execute Gunches. And not only that, but their 30-page response goes on to say that even if the court could force the governor to conduct an execution, her corrections department couldn't do it right now. Quote, serious questions exist as to whether the department could constitutionally and legally perform an execution on April 6th, if it could perform one at all. Put simply, the department lacks the institutional knowledge or ability to competently carry out an execution. Now, the victims' rights group that brought this case is acting on behalf of the sister of the man killed by Aaron Gunches. Republican Maricopa County Attorney Rachel Mitchell is on her side.
As of this point, there is a warrant of execution that is due to be carried out on April the 6th, and the law requires that execution be carried out.
Mitchell contends there's no law that allows a governor to block an execution. Aaron Gunches was sentenced to death row in 2004. He was convicted of killing and kidnapping his girlfriend's former husband. Gunches has changed his mind at least twice on whether he wants to be executed. Last week, he asked the state Supreme Court to, quote, transfer him to the state of Texas, where the law is still followed and inmates can still get their sentences carried out. The High Court has put the case on a fast track. The deadline for all briefs in the case is Thursday. A decision can be expected soon after that.
Bram, is it surprising at all that the governor is defying the court on this?
Well, legally, I've seen at least one scholar on her side, but politically, the idea of the governor, the perception of the governor defying a law is a pretty hard one to get over with a lot of voters, especially a law like this one that's on the books. And now she appears to be defying a Supreme Court. A Supreme Court, I would add, that was largely appointed by her Republican predecessor, Doug Ducey. It'll be very interesting to see the fallout from this.
All right, Bram, thanks.